20 years in the making, guys. 20 years in the making, and we are finally showing here at the Sema show in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited about this. We're meeting a lot of great people, great builds, like builds that you actually didn't like expect to see at all. Let me talk to you guys about our booth. So we have a 20 by 20 booth. We are located at the Central Hall. We brought out all the heavy hitters that we have, quality parts such as designing, engineering, all the way to production. So we're gonna have some of the billet stuff here, IWGs. We have the billet shippers here for the Nissans. And we have the VQ exhaust, which is for, you guys already know what the VQ is on. And we even have like one of the pieces here for headers. And we also have other parts right here that we brought out. PLM, private label manufacturing. So we have the 519 horsepower F5 Civic Type R. And I always say this is because we have charts for this. So 519 horsepower and 513 foot-pounds of torque. And this was dynoed by Dynapack. What do you think about Sema so far? This is day one.
Sema is too big. There's so much stuff going on.
We haven't even, well, this is only our first day, so we haven't really explored the whole thing yet.
Turn around, look at that.
Check this out, guys. This is one of the halls here. Actually, this is still Central Hall, right? This is still Central Hall. And like we're like one of the main halls of the Central Hall, I guess. So there's a lot of halls for the most part, but it's insane. There's a lot of vendors, a lot of YouTubers as well. So we're in now Toyota area. Toyota. For all the Toyota fans. Let's see what they have here. Ooh, nice. So they got the GR86. I'm not too sure what car that is, but GBS FIRs. Looks like FIRs. It looks like FIRs actually. It's pretty sick. Not gonna lie, this is pretty sick. It's crazy. Gaudy. It's awesome.
Moving on, we'll probably check out more.
That's crazy. This is a Mustang, old school type right here. Mustang GT. Restored for sure. This thing's nice. Wow. This is a car I definitely see myself in the future, dude. This is crazy. The Chevy Impala. Dude, that color is beautiful. Look at that. Dude, this is insane, bro. Do I see myself driving this in the future? Absolutely. Dude, this thing's nice. Beautiful car, beautiful color. Oh my goodness. Engine bay is really nice too. Clean engine bay. Wow. The car for sure caught my attention, guys. Check this out, guys. We have a Ford GT, I'm assuming. Throttle. So it seems like Throttle also built this car. But this is actually under WD-40 for the Sema show. HRU wheels are literally everywhere for this show, guys. Oh, check that out, bro. Damn. That's crazy. So Honda fanboys, here we are. This is the Honda Civic Type R GT. Now, a lot of you guys have actually been asking about this. We're not gonna make one. There's one of one actually. But we do have an F5 Civic Type R, so we're just gonna put it out for the content. But yo, check this car out, man. This thing's nice. HRC. Woo! Look at that. So there's a D5 HRC version. This is pretty crazy. Ooh. HRC wheels. I love this yellow though. I'm not too sure what kind of yellow it is. If you guys know what kind of yellow this is, comment down below. If I'm not mistaken, this one has the same motor, the FL5, which is a K20C1. And besides, ours actually makes good power, 519 horsepower. And there's another FL5 right here, which is the design is really unique. It's something else. Even the fender has its own kind of aeroflow, I guess, I'm assuming. And the design is just amazing. I love it. What do you guys think about this? If it was me, I mean, I love it, man. I love this. Like, interior wise, think of that. That's a race car inside of there. That is a race car. Nice. Oh, here we go, guys. JDM lovers, check this out. Blue R34 Nissan GTR. Just like Brian O'Connor's car, or Paul Walker's car. Right-hand drive, Advent GT, white ones. It's awesome. And this Lamborghini Revolto is one of our good friends' car. And here we are. I don't know where John is, but he owns this Lamborghini Revolto. Look at the color shift. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. And I actually asked John yesterday about this. We saw each other yesterday. And I asked him, like, John, is that like a OEM color? And yes, he said it is. This is crazy. Look at those exhausts, dude. Look at those tips. And this car is also straight piped, which is, I assume it would be super loud. But John, definitely love the car right here. I still can't believe how big, how massive the central hall is. This is insane. Oh my goodness. What was that? Oh, check out TJ Hunt's Ferrari 488. Wow. Owned and built by TJ Hunt, San Diego, California. That's crazy. I'm not too sure what kind of E88s or BBSs these are, but oh my goodness, look at that. This is crazy. Ooh. Can't go wrong with Ferraris, guys. Ooh, it's crazy. Avant-garde design, Vinny's Hot Rods. 69 Mustang. Ooh, a lot of off-road stuff here. We have a 4Runner here. We have a Defender 110, which is a Land Rover. Favorite SUVs, by the way. Eventually, when the time comes, we'll definitely get one of these. Knoxville, Tennessee. That was really nice. Same thing as this as well. 4Runner. Wow. Oh, this is Joker's C8, Corvette C8. Pretty sick. Custom interior. It's a lot of good stuff in it. Carbon mirrors, carbon hood, canards. I'm not too sure if those work or not, but looks pretty good. Front lip looks pretty good. Custom wheels. I'm not too sure what kind of wheels these are, but label. Wow. We have a few JDM cars here. Oh, this is the drift side. A86 Corolla. Fenders are modified already. These kind of wheels are so rare nowadays that they're actually getting super expensive. And check this out. Wow. Veil side, body kit, lowered. That's crazy. Oh, my bad. It's an RX-7 FD veil side kit. If you guys didn't know, Han from the Fast and Furious, he was doing all this crazy stuff. That car, that car that he was driving, the RX-7 FD, orange and black one, this is it, but with a pink color. It's a different color. It looks like a wrap too, so. But other than that, it's still pretty good. It's actually Han right here. So I'm assuming most of these are his cars. Actually, yeah. '86 Corolla, the Datsun, and the McLaren right here. Arius McLaren. Never heard of this, but it looks pretty good. And I've seen this 240Z. I believe this is a 240Z. Yeah, I've seen this car a bunch of times on social media. Wow. RB26 motor. Pretty clean. Woo. Love the fenders. This one's built good. Nice. I love it. I love it. I've always been a fan of these cars too, but my money's not a fan of it. This is our 4th time seeing an R34 GTR, but this is a spec. So this is a midnight purple, and it's also a V-spec R34 GTR. Look how beautiful that color is. Sheesh. That's crazy. The details are so good.
I think that's ready.
What do you guys think about the car, guys? Look at that. Great job, Nissan. Ooh, and Hondata is right here. If you guys didn't know, PLM is also a dealer of Hondata, so definitely support them. And you also have an EK here, and I also got the same EK as well. Pretty sick.
Any questions here?
Okay, so check this out. Hondata has a Honda Civic EK here with a K20C1 motor. When I say K20C1, that means that's the new K series, the new motor of the Honda Civic F5 Type R, and also the Integra DD5. Check this out, guys. Wow.
RAV4, all-wheel drive, swap K24 would be hilarious.
That's crazy.
Yeah. No, yeah, that's actually...
Transmission lines. That's crazy. I love it. Pretty clean too, but that one's really intriguing right there. Actually, we've covered a lot of cars today, and this is only day 1. We're gonna be here until Friday, which is November 7th. So today's 4th, and we've done a lot of good things today. Again, for a quick recap of what we did today, we introduced our PLM booth. And on top of that, we also did a lot on the Central Hall, which is like the main ones. So Maguire's, TJ Hunt's cars, TJ Hunt's Ferrari, a bunch of the Honda Civic EK with the K20 swap, K20C1 swap, and a bunch of really nice cars, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next day. Peace.